Yo, Paulie D for United Jack Nation, coming to you from Islip Terrace, New York. Today I'm going to talk about a slightly sensitive subject, hair removal, okay? This time of the year when, the summer season's coming along, the pool season, the beach season, so on and so forth, we all want to look our best. And some people are a little self-conscious about, their body hair and whatnot. Probably a lot of you know, I come from Italian heritage, okay? So needless to say, I am very hairy. Today what we're gonna do is, we're gonna bring in 3 separate products, okay? We've got Veet for women, Veet for men, and we got Nair for men, chest and back, okay? So I wanted to try 3 different products, okay, just to see which one works the best, okay? The female one, I figured, because I just want to let you know, I have slightly sensitive skin, okay? I know I'm huge, but my skin is very sensitive, okay? So I wanted to see if the female version or the woman's version is strong enough for me. All right, I've got the men's version, and then I've got the back and chest version here, okay? So I checked out application time. Application time for these products, all 3 of them, is 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna open up the products, okay? We've got brand new, we just got these shipped in from online. Package, we'll put my handy dandy fish knife away, and we'll get started. All right, so what we're gonna do for now is we're just gonna set these aside, and we are going to create sections on my arm. I've got some masking tape here, so we're gonna section off the 3 sections so we can, oops. Of course I got a bad roll of tape here. Separation here, okay? Just want to get a close-up shot of my arm. You can see the hair here, okay? Got quite a bit of hair. It's not really coarse, it's kind of fine, but it's substantial, okay? So let's see what happens. All right, so we're gonna start with the chest and body. All right, you gotta open it up, and we gotta put a couple pumps on there. Okay. Okay, so number 2 is the woman's version. That's in the middle. Couple of pumps. And then number 3, body cream, the men's Nair. Jesus. Okay. All right, so we got basically equal amounts of all 3. We'll set the clock for 5 minutes. We'll be back in 5 minutes. Anyway, while we're waiting for this to fully activate, I just want to talk to you guys about, what do I want to talk about?
Nothing.
No, seriously, if you're a married man, I want you to be very, very good to your loving wife, okay? She deserves only the best, okay? She deserves only the best, especially if she is your videographer, if she's the one behind the camera, okay? Be good to her. Don't be hard on her. Don't yell at her constantly. You're not a prima donna, you know what I mean? I don't want her to go on a writer's strike. She wrote this script for me. Oh, you know what she wanted me to say? Summer is coming. And we all want to look our best, you know what I mean? And, I don't know, you don't want to be as hairy. I got hair everywhere, except where I want it. You see the top of my head? What the hell? I got nothing up top. That's why I wear this, so I look...
Wipe it off. Wipe it off already.
What?
It's only supposed to be 5 minutes.
All right, we're ready to go here. I'm going to put on my glasses so the old man can see what he's doing here. It's been 5 minutes. And we're gonna wipe it off and see what happens here. All right. All right. So looking at number 1, which is the chest and body from Veet, the men's version. Yeah, there is absolutely no hair there. I mean, it's gone. Okay, gone. It's nice, and actually my skin is nice and soft too. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 was the women's version. Okay, got a beautiful smell to it. Not that I'm into that type of thing, but I'm saying
sensitive.
this is gel hair remover, legs and body from Beat. Sensitive hair removal cream, supposedly 35% less chemicals and whatnot. But it's got a beautiful smell. What's that flower, honey?
I don't really know. I'm not sure what that is.
But anyway, I could tell you that that's number 2. And my skin...
That's the best, the girls, right?
I'm not saying it's the best. I'm just saying... I didn't say it was the best. She said it was the... It's not the best, but it got rid of all the hair. I mean, there is no hair there whatsoever.
You were really hairy in that stuff.
It's smooth and silky. And it even smells good. All right, so now number 3 was the men's body cream. All right, from Nair. Totally different company. Yeah, that is just silky smooth. It's when we come down to it, okay? We're gonna do the field test. I'm gonna have my wife feel my arm and make the decision. 1, 2, or 3. Make sure.
This is the best.
Definitely?
Yes, absolutely, without a doubt.
All right, there we have it. All right, we have it, folks. We have a clear winner?
Clear winner.
All right, we have a clear winner. 1, 2, or 3? 3. All right, here we go. What's this called?
Nair for Men Hair Remover Body Cream. Quick and easy. Works while you shower.
Nailed it. There you go. I don't even need to repeat it. Paulie D, get rid of these ones. Bye-bye. I've never used a hair removal product in my life. I've always shaved, like I shave my chest, my shoulders, back and whatnot, and some other areas or whatever. But I won't be doing that anymore. I'm going to be utilizing a hair removal product, okay? Because it's just so much easier and just on and off, boom. And these do indicate that you could even apply them, wait 5 minutes and take a shower and just wipe it off in the shower, which to me would even be more ideal. So that's it. Paulie D, United Jack Nation, stay hairless, my friends. I want to talk to you guys about... What do I want to talk about?
Nothing.
Here's what I want to talk about.
Hairy like an animal.
A hair removal depilatory, what do they call it?
Yeah.
Depository?
No.
Yo! Depository?
No, where are you putting it? Up your...
Mommy!
Cut!
I think they call it a depilatory. A depilatory? Debilatory? You're the one who's the thing.
I don't...
Hair removal for men. Shower gel? Shower lotion?
No. Nair for Men Hair Remover Body Cream. Quick and easy. Works while you shower.
Nailed it. There you go. I don't even need to repeat it. Paulie D, get rid of these ones. Bye-bye. Paulie D, United Jack Nation. I'm not gonna be a Harriet. I'm not... Wait a second here.
Monkey Man. Make love to me, Monkey Man.
Paulie D, United Jack Nation. Stay jacked and stay
hairless.
Stay hairless. Wait, there you go. Wait. Paulie D, United Jack Nation. Stay hairless, my friends. Cut. That's gonna be good.
Yo.
Yo!